Silk team, what's going on, man? It's your boy 360 Silk, and I'm about to show you how to get right with the beginner's clipper and trimmer kit by the Cut Buddy. Let's get it. All right, first you're gonna grab the little Cut Buddy comb, unfold it, and comb your hair out. All right, now that the hair is all combed out, we're gonna take the trimmers and turn the dial all the way to 2.0. Then we're gonna take the 6mm guard and put it on, just like that. And the length I'm about to cut my hair at is equivalent to a 2-guard open with standard clippers. All right, now we're gonna turn the clippers on, and we're gonna turn the power all the way up to 70, right here. Boom, boom. Now we're ready to go. Now when you cut, we're gonna go with the grain, all the way around your head, just like this. All right, now that we cut everything down, let's jump straight to the lineup. All right, what I like to do is get some type of holding spray and spray it on my lineup to hold down all the loose hairs. Now just brush it down, just like this. See how them loose hairs starting to stick down? You do this so you can get a sharper lineup. All right, now that everything's laid down, let's get it. Now as you're cutting, make sure you take the little brush and clean your liners off a little bit so you don't clog them up so you can get a cleaner cut, you know what I mean? All right, for the corner, we're gonna take our Cut Buddy lineup tool and we're gonna hold it to whatever angle we want this little line to be and line it up just like this. Just follow the guide. That's all you gotta do. Boom. Crispy. Now it's the same thing for the C-curve. Just find what template you like. And then line it up with your line. Boom, I like this one. Boom, take the trimmers and just line it up. Just follow the guideline. Boom. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna start on the taper. So we're gonna take the trimmers, we're gonna set our guideline. The way I like to set my guideline is, I find the corner of my eye, I just take it over right there, boom, that's my guideline. So turn them on the corner, boom, set it. All right, now we're gonna take the clippers and turn the dial all the way to 2.0. And then we're gonna turn them on. Make sure the power is all the way up on 70. Now we're gonna go up 1 inch. I'm gonna go up to like the top of my ear. Just like that. All right, now we're gonna take the 3mm guard and put it on. And we're gonna leave the dial at 2.0. Now we're gonna go up another inch, except we're gonna go up with like a flicking motion at the top. So we don't set a hard guideline, just about right there. Make sure you brush your hair down after each step. So now we're gonna take the 3-guard off and put the 6mm guard on. Make sure you leave the dial at 2.0. Okay, now, this time, we're just gonna flick away at the bulkiness up here. You see how it's darker there? You're just trying to get that a little lighter so it blends better with the fade. Just very light flicks, very light. Boom, that's good enough right there. Yeah. All right, now you see how it's a line right there? That's called the middle line. We're gonna flick away at that middle line to get that out so it fades all together. Don't make like a hard guideline again. Just flick it. Very important. All right, we're gonna put the 3 guard back on. We're gonna turn the dial all the way to 0.8. And before we go on to the next step, here's the tip. If the 3 guard doesn't take out the middle line, put these down, grab the liners, and the liners come with guards. So put the 2 guard on, just like that, and then just look at that line. If you couldn't get it out with the 3 guard, just use these. All right, now let's move on to the back taper. All right, the first thing I like to do is line everything up nice and neat. All right, now for the taper. The first thing we're gonna do is set the guideline. All right, now we're gonna take our clippers and turn the dial to 2.0, no guard. We're gonna go up 1 inch. Now we're gonna take the 3mm guard and put it on. We're gonna leave the dial at 2.0. It's really the same steps as a side taper. And when I do this step, I actually like to go up to the base of my head. So it might be a little over 1 inch. All right, now we're gonna take our 6mm guard and put it on. We're gonna leave the dial at 2.0. Now for this step, we're just gonna flick away at the bolt at the top up here. That's all we're gonna do. We're not setting a hard guideline, we're just flicking it away. Okay, now we're gonna take the 3mm guard and put it on. We're gonna turn the dial all the way down to 0.8. All right, now, you're just gonna flick away at that middle line. All right, as you can see, the 3 guard ain't getting it done. So, we're gonna grab the liners, we're gonna grab the 2 guard, we're gonna put it on, we're gonna use these to flick the middle line out. Boom, taper done. All right, now let's get this line up a little crispier. We're gonna take the Cut Buddy Speed Tracer pencil, and we're just gonna trace our line up. All right, now we're gonna grab the Cut Buddy straight razor. Just lift this up. You have to open this up a little bit like that. Take your razor blade, just set it on those 2 notches right there. Right there. And then close it up. Boom. Close it. You ready to go. And while you're using this, you don't want to hold it like tilted towards your skin. You want to hold it kind of flat like this, where you're just grazing against your skin so you don't cut yourself. Boom, the cut's finished. Let's see the results. Taper, yes sir. Back taper, clean. Yes sir. So that's how you perform a Selfcut, the beginner's clipper and trimmer kit by the Cut Buddy. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm out, man.